funny.
Yeah, I thought you'd see that first.
That's sweet.
You didn't notice that first?
I just turned up the camera, and then he goes, "Whoa, look!"
Hey, I get this from Target, but I don't know where this is. There's 40 of these. It's cool. I want to open. Easter bunnies. No bang can.
Yeah? The Easter Bunny bring you some treats? What do we got?
Is this for Risa?
Nope, that's yours.
Is it Risa?
She said
I'll get that.
Why don't you open it up and see what it is?